Hi everyone, it is Patrick and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. It's been a minute. I missed you all so much. I have missed filming videos like so much. For those of you who do not know, I entered a PhD program in the fall of last year and it just got like very intense. I actually did YouTube as like my job in undergrad and it's just been a little challenging incorporating it into my schedule since it's gotten a lot busier over the last year, but I'm really trying to make it work. I love filming. I'm sure you all love watching, or if you hate watching, that's cool too. Okay, where do we even start? So Starbucks actually released new drinks, which is like so sad that it's like shocking at this point because yeah, they dropped like something here and there, but I just want a big menu shakeup and it's just not happened. It's just not happened. But they did give us 2 new drinks to try for summer of 2023. And I wanted to make videos showing you all how to make this at home. And it's actually really easy, like really easy. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all how you can make the white chocolate macadamia cold brew at home. Is that what it's called? One sec. Girl, you know Starbucks and their names for these drinks. They're getting longer and longer and I can't remember them. Oh my gosh, I actually like got it right. So the recipe I'm about to show you all is so freaking easy. Like so easy. If this is your favorite drink at Starbucks, you need to make this at home. You need to save your money, save your time. Literally, you can do this. I trust you. I'm trying to think if I have like any other updates. Oh, I do have like my Starbucks tumbler collection going like at the top of my cabinet little area. Let's just say that. So if you all want an updated studded tumbler collection, I can give that to you. I did a video like that last year, but my collection has since expanded and I can definitely make that video if you all want it. So let me know. Without further ado, let's get into this video. What is this video? Oh yeah, the white chocolate macadamia cream cold brew. Macadamia nut? I don't know. Let's make the drink. So the first thing we are going to do is actually make the topping. So at Starbucks, they sprinkle a toasted cookie crumble mixture on top of this drink. So I went to Target and picked up Pepperidge Farm Tahoe white chocolate macadamia cookies. And this is totally optional. If you want the topping, you can go ahead and pick these up, make it really quick. But if you want to skip it, you can skip it. It's really just for like garnish. It adds a little bit of flavor, but it's like a take it or leave it situation. It's not a must for this recipe. Huh? Wait, what? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought I got the wrong cookies. I thought I literally got regular like chocolate chip cookies from the bottom, but it looks normal from the top, so we're just gonna go with that. Okay, so I'm literally just going to crumble this into like little pieces. You can pop this in the blender if you want to get super fancy. I don't want to get super fancy, so I'm just gonna do this with my hands. Ooh, I could probably find something to make this like better. Okay, I'm going to pop the cookie into a like plastic sandwich bag. So just pop your cookie into a bag and then like hit it with a rolling pin. Yay! So now, stay right there. Okay, so at Starbucks, they actually toast the cookie crumbs. I guess you could do that if you wanted to. It's just a little trickier with this situation because there's like white chocolate in there, so it would just like melt. And I don't really want to do like another dish. So I'm just gonna leave this as is and this will be my topping. But if you want to toast it, you can either like do it in like a non-stick pan, toss this in the oven. I'm sure there are ways to do it, but I just don't want to. So I'm not going to. But yeah, that is how you are going to make the cookie topping. I'm gonna set this aside. We are going to use this literally, this is like the last step. So let's get on with making our drink. So I'm gonna be making a venti drink today. If you want a smaller or a larger drink, then you can kind of just adjust the amounts. So the first thing I'm going to add to our drink is this macadamia nut syrup. Literally all of the work has been done for us. I love that so much. I love Tirani so much. Like literally, I want them to sponsor me so bad, like so bad. I use their products every single day, love them so much. And they actually make a macadamia nut syrup. So we don't have to do any of that hard work. Like you literally just have to hop on Amazon or like Tarani's website and buy it for yourself. Like it just shows up to your door. I love that so much. I will have it linked down below. For a venti drink, I'm going to pump in 3 pumps of macadamia nut syrup. That doesn't count. 1, 2, 3. Yay! So now I'm just going to go ahead and add some ice into our cup. Oh, I did hear Starbucks is switching up their ice. I do love how their ice is right now, but they're switching to nugget ice. And I do love that, so I'm excited. And you didn't hear it from me. And now I'm just going to go ahead and pour in my cold brew. I make my cold brew homemade from scratch. Obviously, the grocery store has like 5 billion cold brews out there right now, so if you don't feel like making it yourself, you can go ahead and buy it. Completely up to you. And we're just gonna pour this into our cup. Oh no. Okay, that looks good to me. Let me clean this up. I'm just going to stir the cold brew and the syrup together so it's nice and mixed up. So now let's go ahead and make our cold foam. Okay, so the first thing we're going to add into our measuring cup is 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm using 2% here, but you can totally use non-dairy milk. I've done it before and it turns out great. So feel free to use whatever kind of milk you want. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. To add that macadamia nut flavor into the cold foam, I'm gonna put 1 pump of our syrup. And then to add some white chocolate flavor into this equation, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of this white chocolate sauce. This is Ghirardelli's, but I know Tarani makes another one. So now I'm going to use my handheld milk frother to make the cold foam. This is the best way to do it. I've tried a few different methods and this is my favorite. And these are so affordable. Like I think literally like $10 off of Amazon. I will have it linked down below. Go ahead and get one of these if you love cold foam. You will not regret it. So I'm just going to stick this in here and froth it until it's like frothy. This is nice and frothy and creamy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this on top of our cold brew. Yes. And now I'm going to sprinkle it with our cookie topping. Love this so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we know that we did this right when we get that clear distinction between the cold foam and the cold brew. Like, oh my gosh. We did this good, y'all. We did this good. This is the perfect drink for this summer. Light, refreshing. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Okay, first thing, I take back what I said earlier about the whole cookie thing being optional. You need this. Like, it needs to be on top. That's the first thing that you get when you drink it, and it's amazing. So I feel like macadamia nut is not like a super overpowering, like it's not a super strong flavor. I'm thinking like I love hazelnut syrup, but hazelnut is like a very like strong flavor. Whereas macadamia, I feel like is a little bit more like subtle, like subdued, like it's kind of like a background character. But the fact that it's in the cold brew and the cold foam really helps it stand out, and it just pairs so well with white chocolate. I don't know what it is. Whoever discovered that deserves an award. I don't know what award, some award. If you all love this drink at Starbucks, you will not regret making it at home. I showed you all. It's so easy. You can do this. Trust me, you can do this. I will have the full recipe and all of the links to like ingredients and equipment linked down below in the description box. I'm going to go ahead and drink the rest of this, but I hope you all loved today's video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.